Hello everyone, welcome back again. In the previous tutorial, we have been set up the Nextcloud on openSUSE. Now we need to configure the username. This is the admin username, so I'm password that is so weak. It's okay. Storage and database, I have MySQL, so database user is Nextcloud user. Thus we created in the previous tutorial, and the database password is Nextcloud past, and database name Nextcloud. That is okay. Finish. That take a moment. Let's wait. If you has any problem, here is the Nextcloud documentation, official documentation. So you can study it SSL, HTTPS, and SC Linux configuration, and other things you can check and look here. You can use Nextcloud on mobile device like Android and iOS also. This is awesome. I think it's finished. Okay. Here it is. This is our self home server using Nextcloud. You can store whatever you want on your home. You can be used on Raspberry Pi or Linux or Windows. It is very good for file storage. 12.3 megabyte used. Let's walk around a recent. There is no content here. We can add more configuration and other that module, so we can set in add more thing on this. We can add files and folder by pressing this plus sign. That test. Okay, here is the photo. It's uploaded. We can move, copy, and download. Okay, and we can see, and we can share via share link. That is password protect, expiration date. That is pretty awesome. Okay, that's for now. Now we can delete. It's great, but this for now, and see you in the next video. Thanks.